Hi, hello. Hi, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Good morning. Hi. Welcome to Milano. Ciao, ciao. Hello, hi. It's a beautiful day. How are you? Hi, friends. Ciao, ciao. Yeah, it's lunchtime. It's a bank holiday in Milano today. Things are getting better. On Monday, the mandatory quarantine is going to finish. They will start phase number 2, releasing of what's news. Morning. Hi, Barb. Hi. My health, it's okay. I am working. I am okay. Today it's a bank holiday. That's why I'm at home, not at the Red Cross. And I'm cooking. While I'm cooking, we can chat a little bit about things. The images is a little bit... Kathy, hi, welcome to Milano. Ciao, il Cidone. The mask is mandatory here in Italy. At the beginning was mandatory just in Lombardy, but now in all Italy. Gart, hi. Ciao. So much Italian deaths from COVID? Yeah. To almost more than 200,000 people infected. Dead. Hi from New York. Ciao. Hey Janice, hi. Perché ti stai sforzando a parlare in italiano? Questo è in inglese. Se non sai l'inglese, ciao. So, hi Janice, how are you? Welcome. Today I am in... it's a bank holiday here in Milano. And thank you for the super arts. I am cooking, as you can see. Average. Hi, Carl. Ciao. Finally, I'm here. I don't go live so frequently because I'm working. People that, Italian are always, always unfair. What are you cooking? I am cooking a quiche. I prepare all the ingredients for a quiche. Leeks, zucchini, tomato. Relaxing time. Yeah, a quiche. Leek, zucchini, cherry tomatoes. You look happier. I am happier. Thank you, Harlow. I am happier. Things are getting better. I am working. A vegetable quiche, yes. I'm working at the Red Cross, so I can see the situation. And yes, leek zucchini, cherry tomatoes. And so I'm preparing the zucchini to cook the zucchini. In Italy, quarantine. Yeah, no, from next Monday, so the 4th of May, we will start to release the quarantine. Hey, hi, Wagamama Mama, ciao, Dave. I am cooking. I wish to buy your cooking book. I have to write a cooking, yeah. Looking, thank you, so... My pink sweater, thank you. I like pink, shocking pink, it's the color I love more. Hey, ciao Dave, I am cooking a quiche with zucchini, leek, cherry tomato. And, but cherry tomato just, you look happier. I am happier, thank you very much, Kathy. I am happier, the situation is getting better, I feel better. Sounds good. I'm going to cook and eat all the quiche myself, I guess, as usual. Not now, but maybe in today and tomorrow. A che ora si pranza? Facciamo 3/4 d'ora. 3/4 of an hour. Less than an hour is going to be ready. I show you what I'm doing. Hi. So basically I've cutted all my zucchini. Thank you for inviting. Thank you, Carla. I've cutted all my zucchini. You know, just I've done the leeks before. Now so on Monday, Dave, we will be able to, so basically the mask is going to be mandatory. We can go to work, we can stay and go around the city, restaurants, bar, everything is shut down, closed. We can just go out, have a walk, go out without the paper. We cannot go in other regions. If we go in other regions, we need to have the paper. We cannot travel. We can stay just in our cities and go out during the day. Everything is shut down, so you don't go out, you know, just restaurant and everything. It's not a big situation. I mean, until they will open. No, I prefer the white, the green zucchini, Arlo. The white, the squash, and also it's not the best for me. But I know in the US you use it a lot. So you put water, you can walk more freely, exactly. But you know, now I'm working, so I don't have any problem, and I mean, at least I go out and I go, the Red Cross, it's a walking distance, and I pass through a park, so at least I am okay. I mean, I see trees and so I guess in July. Do you add cheese? So now we and they will cook for 10 minutes, not too much. Now we are going to prepare the eggs. You see, 3 eggs. Definitely made, yeah, it's simpler, and I don't think we will go back to normal life until December, January, I don't know, because we have too many infected. Still, the situation is not yet, you know, finished at all. Yesterday we had more than 200 people dead, and until a vaccine, I know. But you know, now we have a big problem because you know, the blood test, they have to do the blood test, but they are not yet able to do the blood test, so we have to wait. Has been extended 1 more month. What, the quarantine? So we have to wait, yeah, next flu season. And at the Red Cross we are part of these studies, and we will be able to do the blood tests to people, but they are not still you know, ready. The situation is still immature. Yesterday we had 1,300 infected in Italy, so you know, the situation is still a little bit hot. But at least Monday we will start to go out and walk, and you know, social distancing, gloves, everything. But I think it's gonna be like that forever. The vaccine, oh, the panettone, yes, Arlo, that could be fantastic. That's an interesting way to crack an egg. I know, like that, yeah. I know. I don't want to do, you know, with my hands. So now you see the eggs, we start to melt everything. Right?